Hey guys, SmallRootSpelled here, and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to build President Joe Biden. Now, this build I had done back in August. I had designed back in August. I still use the same design. Just last month, I had done Kamala Harris on her birthday, and I decided to do Joe Biden on his birthday. So, this is, like me showing you what the build looks like already. So, we're just going to start with a new model. And we're going to go to minifigures, our parts. We're going to use this bottom leg. I'm going to turn that to navy blue. Our parts, superheroes, Marvel. We're going to use the first torso in the Marvel folder. I'm going to center it. Type in Han Solo. We're going to use the Han Solo from The Force Awakens head. We're going to use the slicked back hairpiece and put it in white. And that is how you make Joe Biden in like the easiest way possible. So if you like this build, you can go check out the one I had done last month for Kamala Harris on her birthday. In February, I'll be doing John Lewis, and I might do some other people. But if you want more builds like this, like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. If you want to suggest some stuff, put it in the comments below. And I will see you guys later.